All right. So real quick, just going to go over geometry reports. You can see up in under home, there's a report. You can go to horizontal geometry, pick it that way. And same thing here. You have reports under geometry. So I can go get horizontal, vertical, whatever I want to do, profile reports, those different things. One of the things that I have a tendency to do too is just pick the alignment. I hover over it, gives me all the options that I want. Pick geometry that way as well. So I can get to my geometry reports a few different ways. I have a lot of different information that I can get with my geometry reports, like the setting out tables, horizontal element tables. This is one we use quite a bit. Horizontal geometry. As far as our horizontal geometry tables go, in a plan set. One of the other things you can do as well as you're looking through this, you can see I have alignment, stationing, those different elements. As you can see, it's on 0, and I do not recommend being on 0. I'm not sure if we touched on this one or not, but if I want to do a start station, I want to change that. I don't want it to be 0. I want it to be 10. I'm going to go ahead and update that. Notice I can go anywhere I need to. I'm going to go to the front. I'm going to accept that, and it's going to be 10. And you see all my stationing just changed starting at 10. My report, I believe, yeah, I have to redo my report. So I'm going to do that real quick. And you'll see in my report that it changed and updated to 10 as well. So I'll just stay in this format for right now as we're talking about it. And notice that it just says 1000, 1067. Under tools and format options, this is where I can control a lot of that. My bearings, my northing eastings, all of those different things, I can say, okay, I want to have out to 3 decimal places. Maybe my slopes, I actually want to go to 0.2 on that. I can also change if I want it as a percent. I can change my stationing. See how it says SSS? So it's giving me just my stations in the hundreds. So now I want to actually give station plus. And I only want to go to 2 decimals on that. So I can change those things. As soon as I close this, you'll see those items update. So now I've got those items that are going through. So if I wanted to change my delta and have it only read, if I could find it, have it read in just the 2 decimals, I can do that. So you can see now it dropped to 2 decimals. So that's where I would format it. So I can get a report, and again, a file, save as. I can report it out as an XML. Most of the time what we do is we print them out as spreadsheets or Word documents so that we can make sure that we keep those in our design documentation as we report these out. So that is geometry reports. Lindsay, Jordan, anything else to add on that?
Nope.
All right, so we can stop recording, Sahar?